Welcome back to Into the Garage. I'm your host, Scott Mays. Today we're covering a product provided to us by AVS Review. Now this product is the Aeroskin II. Let's go ahead and look at some key features of our Aeroskin II. It's got a good low profile. It's black matte finish. It's got a texture to it. Looks real good on our truck. Now this is a vehicle specific product, so keep that in mind. The install itself is super easy. There's no drilling required, no real tools involved in it. Everything you need comes pre-packaged with it. You get your install instructions, you get your prep pads for your cleaning. They've even gone as far as to go ahead and add your 3M double-sided tape to the back of it. It's a good product. It's made in the USA and it's got a limited lifetime warranty. This installation really didn't even take 5 minutes. Now one thing I did realize, I had to use a razor blade and help pull some of the red backing off that 3M adhesive. Other than that, it went real smooth. That's not something you have to do. That's just something that I did to aid in my installation. You can see it's got a good low profile. It really contours the front of the truck and adds a whole lot of protection to this hood. Now, if this is a product that you're interested in, check out our description below. We'll have the part number and a link to our dealer locator. That being said, thank you for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.